The interesting thing about working with embittered people is that most of my respondents I got out of the corporate environment. Nobody is going to knock on your door and say, I need counseling, I'm embittered. No. Usually there's other dynamics, which means that some of the clients that sat with me during my study period, they did not really want to be there, and I had to get them talking. One of the creative ways I started to get them talking was to use a storyboard, my storyboard. The first attempt on this storyboard was a rather disaster because I used photos, and that didn't get anybody talking. And then I went back to the drawing board, literally back to the drawing board, where I used animated characters, and I drew different characters as you see on the screen now. There's a cat and an owl and an eye, and this storyboard is a wonderful therapeutic tool to get a client to talk, because they can assign any value, any concept to the different pictures. They're not looking at the therapist all the time, and they can spontaneously choose what do they want to talk about, what is the explosive experience in their lives that they maybe not want to talk about, and where do they want to move through. The value of this board is also with the age of electronics that we're sitting with today. As a therapist, when you finish at the end of your session, you can take a photo with your cell phone and save it on your client's file. When your client comes to you next time, you reconstruct your board to where it was when the client stopped, and you've got a sound place to start again. Your client feel very appreciated because you actually listened and reconstructed the board especially for them. By doing this, the client is comfortable, and it works for children as well as for adults. It actually works very well for adults because it is not hard and structured, and they don't get the idea that somebody is looking at their experiences as though they had a poor childhood or they might be judged. So this is a very helpful tool to get people talking.